Welcome back to the McCall's Baking Channel. Do you love delicious chocolate desserts? Well then we have the perfect recipe for you. Our white chocolate mousse is decadent and rich, yet it also has a light and creamy texture that you're sure to love. It also is super easy to make and will only take a few minutes to whip up this picture-perfect dessert. Let us show you how to make this incredible dessert so you can get cooking and start enjoying that irresistible chocolate taste. To begin, you will need milk and Callebaut white chocolate mousse powder. Place both ingredients in the bowl of a stand mixer and then whip the cream using the whisk attachment. You want to whisk the mousse mix until stiff peaks form. This means that the mix is thick and holds its shape rather than looking liquid and falling flat when scooped. While the mousse whips, get out your silicone half-round mold. Turn off the mixer and scrape down the sides of the bowl using a rubber spatula. You want to make sure all the ingredients are getting mixed together well. Use your whisk to test the mousse mix and see if it's whipped enough to form peaks and hold its shape. Use an ice cream scoop to divide the mix between each cavity of the dome mold. Fill each spot to the top. Use a small offset spatula to level and smooth the cream. You want the surface of the mousse to be perfectly flat, as this will make sure that it sits straight on the plate later on. Use a round cookie cutter to cut out thin circles of cake. The circle should be the same size as the silicone mold. For an extra chocolatey dessert, you can also use chocolate cake to make the base for the mousse. Gently press the cake circles onto the mousse. Place the tray in the freezer for several hours. Once the mousse domes are completely frozen, flip the mold upside down and gently press the mousse out of the mold. The silicone mold should peel right off of the cold mousse. Place a crossed grate cooling rack over a sheet tray and then move the mousse to the rack. Gently heat some McCall's mirror glaze. Stir in a few drops of McCall's blue gel food coloring. Of course, you can choose any color you'd like to make. We have just about every color you can think of at mccalls.ca. Add white gel food coloring to a second bowl of clear mirror glaze. Use an ice cream scoop to pour the dyed glaze over the top of the mousse dome. You want to pour a good amount of glaze over the dome to ensure it fully covers the surface. The sheet tray under the rack will catch the extra glaze, and you can always use it again, so it won't be wasted. Place the white glaze in a small paper cornet and drizzle it over the top of the mousse. Sprinkle a few small silver dragees and a few small gold dragees on the top of the mousse as a finishing touch. Your delicious, beautiful white chocolate mousse is now ready to serve. These look good enough to serve at any high-end restaurant, but they were surprisingly easy to make. Don't you want to eat one right now? They're too good looking to resist. We hope that you love this video and make your own white chocolate mousse domes at home. If you do, take a picture and tag us at Love McCall's. Be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram as well for more exciting McCall's news. Subscribe to our YouTube channel too, because we're always making new, delicious desserts and showing you how to bake and decorate just like a professional pastry chef. We'll see you next time!